Welcome back to the vlog. We're here at the Euro Cars and Coffee at the Cardell Homes head office. There's a board meeting going on, so half of the parking lot's full of just garbage cars anyway. Not garbage, but not supercars. So, but we're gonna go check out, see what's there. I brought the proper camera that is fully charged and memory card that is empty. So we should be able to get all the proper content this time with the proper camera. Let's go check it out. We got a Porsche, Ferrari, and another Ferrari and a Lambo. Which one would you guys take? A Ford Pista is pretty sweet, but I'd have to say the Lambo. But the black one over there, that's the one I would take, the Performante. Look at this wagon. Betcha that sucker can go get groceries in a real hurry. I'm just barely out of reach. Well guys, there's another Euro Cars and Coffee done. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. What did you think of the new 488 Pista? It's pretty sweet. I like it. Looks sharp. But I'm still a fan of that Performante today. I would take that one for sure in a heartbeat. No questions asked. What do you guys think? What would you take? Porsche? Ferrari? Lamborghini? Let me know in the comments below. But I'm still wiped from the Royal Rally. It was an adventurous weekend from what you guys have seen in the previous vlogs. If you haven't gone and watched the vlogs of the Royal Rally, go back and let me know what you thought of those. I'm going to end the vlog here and go in and download all the footage and start editing today's vlog. So, like that, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe.